Pawisin ka ba? This might be the reason why your acne is getting worse. So, ang pagpapawis might contribute to acne, but also what happens after. So, kapag naghalo-halo yung oil natin, sweat, dumi, and also dead skin cells, pwedeng magbara yung pores natin. Plus, studies show na pag mainit, mas lalo nagiging active yung oil glands natin. So, pag mas oily, nagiging mas acne prone. So, yung iba, pinupunasan nila yung face nila, pero aggressively. So, if you wipe your face aggressively, baka magkaroon ng friction. This causes inflammation and causes acne in the long run. So pag sweaty, gawin natin to instead. Instead of wiping, i-blot natin yung pawis natin para maiwasan ang friction. Gumamit ng clean towel and as much as possible, don't touch your face. And never mag-a-apply ng skincare on sweaty skin. Pag sweaty and kailangan mag-reapply ng sunscreen, maghanap ng water source, or if may dala kayong bottled water, you can use that to rinse the water off, allow it to dry before reapplying your sunscreen. So if you're doing all of this and hindi pa rin makontrol yung acne mo, you can comment below or send me a message para malaman natin kung ano ang nagpapa-flare ng acne mo. For more skin tips from a board-certified dermatologist, follow me at Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!